Hi everyone, it's Nicole here again, and on the topic of some grammar questions that I have been asked. Another question was, what is the difference between your and your? Very good question. They both sound exactly the same, but they're used completely different when it comes to grammar. The first your, Y-O-U-R, is a possessive. It shows ownership. Just like, I suppose, his or her or my or their, etc. So it can be in the plural form, more than one person owning, or it can be in the singular form, one person owning. The owner is you in this situation. So you can be one person, you, or more than one person, a group of you. So your, Y-O-U-R. Whereas the other your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, no possession, no ownership at all. This is always two words, a contraction. You're using two words and making them one. Obviously used a lot in spoken language, or if you're writing something quite informal, but it's always two words. You're never going to use the apostrophe R-E if it's a possessive. You're always going to use the apostrophe R-E with you if it's two words representing you are. I hope that makes sense. I hope that's made it nice and clear. I'm happy to do another video, another teaching video about this with written explanations and with examples if you'd like me to. In the meantime, if you have any questions, just ask them down here in the comments. I'm here to help and I'm more than happy to help. Have a lovely day. Bye.